What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Check it out. Alright, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here. We got about 4 stocks to go over, and a real good live recording here. So we're going to go over each and every one of those. Before we do me the quick favor, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded today. When you do all three things, it helps out with the YouTube algorithm. It actually helps push the channel up, helps it grow because we got more subscribers. Once I get 10,000 subscribers, remember I'm going to go ahead and do a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and the giveaway is going to be a funded trading account that I'm going to do to help out a new trader. Okay, it'll be a random thing. We'll just do a video about it, do some probably comments, then do automatic generation, and pick a random comment, and that winner is going to get a funded trading account. Okay, I did an entire video about this recently, so you can check it out in the videos section of my channel, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, please go ahead and do that. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Now, today started off just like any other day. We pulled out the gap scanner and looked at the gap scanner. NBY, AVCT were leading gappers. NBY hasn't done much. Let's see, just condense this and get a 5-minute chart real quick here so we can see what it's done. If we can get this chart over here. Here we go. So there we go. Just, a big gap up from 70 something cents all the way up here to $1 and change, all the way up here to a high day of 186. What's funny is these lines, I didn't draw these lines after the open. These lines I drew, they might be old actually. Yeah, these are old lines I drew on the daily chart. So you can see how this works, guys. Look at that. Boom, right there to that resistance line, which is right off of the daily. Let's see here. Where is it? 187. So this is the daily here. And that line coincides with these tops here. See how far back this price action might go. These bottoms. Look at all these bottom supports. These are probably lines I drew way back then. That's crazy. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this daily chart out of the way. That's done nothing. Then we had AVCT. Now check this out. This is insane. Look at this. First of all, I didn't find any news, not even on Yahoo Finance this morning on this thing. But it gapped up from $2.50 or so, excuse me, up here to this $3, almost $4 area. It pulled in just underneath it, and then just right here at 8, and almost at 9 o'clock at 8:50, this thing just skyrocketed, and I mean legit from $3.50 all the way up here to $7.35. Monster move. Then right before the open, it just collapsed on itself. Look at that. It collapsed completely on itself. Opened up, dipped all the way down here to $3.16, $3.20, popped up here to almost $5. Randomness, and then just faded. Complete fade. And now we're down here in the $2 area. You want to see what this daily looks like? This is funny. Check this out. Look at this candle. Can we get this daily over there? There we go. Look at that candle. That's insane. That's wild. I didn't see any news for that, guys. If you did, let me know, and I'll be happy to check that out. These are the trade idea scanners. If you didn't know, link in the description section below. You'll have a 15% off coupon code there as well. You can take advantage of. And then we had BA. Had a big gap down and then a big rally. Look at this, from 145 all the way up here to 151. Real nice rally there off of that level. Can we get this organized? And then it kind of just chopped around, and now we're down here in this 148 area, which is support area on the daily as well. Let's see here, daily. Bring out that daily real quick. This 148 area. Where is it? Here we go. It's 149. This top right here, this bottom right here, this top. So we'll see what happens there with BA. No trades for me on BA today. I was looking to trade some options on it, but I couldn't find any options that had any significant amount of volume that I wanted to be a part of. So I really didn't trade any options, at least in the morning, in like the early morning, like around between 9:30 to 10:30. I didn't between 9:30 to 10:15. I didn't find anything, so left it alone. I switched over to watch Codex, CYCC, and the SPY. And here we go, SPY. And check out the SPY. Well, this is the daily. What a wild looking daily, huh? Now the SPY right here, look at that push to close the gap. That's crazy. Look at that. It gapped down all the way down here to 282. And look at this move all the way back up to 286. Insanity. Honestly, look at that. You would have thought this was going to be a short all day long for a little fade, at least down here to 280 area. But nope. Completely different plan. Choppy. If you would have traded this, it would have been a choppy trade, because check it out. We do the red to green move, pull it into VWAP, pop off of VWAP, pull underneath VWAP, pop back up over VWAP, chop, 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 chop between 283.50 and 284, 50-cent range. And then finally, you know, it gets an extension move. Very, very choppy trade in the morning session. Look at that. Right now, it's late morning. It's almost lunchtime. It's almost 12. It's about 11:40 something. And look at this move, like really choppy, and then finally a little bit more cleaner of an extension move. So nothing there for me either. Then I switched over to CYCC, which I liked a lot, but didn't really get a solid good entry on it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into that one there. But before we do, I want to remind you, remember in the description section below, and maybe in the comment section below as well, you'll find links to Webull. Webull is a free stock trading app. You've probably heard about it. If you download and fund the account with $100, you'll get 2 free stocks. One of them could be valued up to $1,400. So that's really nice. And regardless, 2 free stocks equals free money. Then you have First Trade. That's what it's called. First Trade is in there as well. Link in the description section below and in the comment section. All you got to do is download the app, open an account. You don't have to fund it, and you're going to get 1 free stock. So that's 3 free stocks. A little stimulus there. You can get you lunch if you get all 3 free stocks, and then you just sell them and just pocket the money itself. So let's jump right back into this. Then we had CYCC, and I have this live recorded here for you. But first, let's go over this. This thing gapped up, monster gap up from $6 and change all the way up here to $9 land, and it just went, man. Like, look at this thing. And big candles too, from 10-20 all the way down here to 830s. Finally, we had the red to green move right here, got halted, gapped up higher, pushed, halted again, and halted again, gapped up, halted. Let's see here. It halted here again, jumps back up, halts, opens higher, and then no more halts. But now it's just fading. Now it's just fading completely. But watch here. You see this dip right here out of this halt. This dip right here down to $13 area right here. There we go. 1290 area. That's $13. Check this out. I want to show you this level on the daily. Okay, so let's bring over this daily chart, which looks gnarly now, but we're gonna go ahead and watch this. This is $13, $12.90 to $13 area. Bounce right here, bounced off of it. This is the daily chart. Remember that. Resistance, resistance. Okay, support zone right here. Support zone right here. Look at this, right to it. Bang, jumped right off of it. Okay, and that's as far back as I went. Let's see if we can go further back. Okay, it starts to get a little bit too crazy with all the reverse splits. Now you saw, okay, so it's support zone, resistance zone, resistance zone, support zone, resistance zone. Okay, that's that $13 area. Look what happens. Out of that halt, we dip down right to that $13 area where VWAP is at. Boom, all the way up to new highs, up to almost $20. I wanted to get long in there. Let me grab this recording here for you. Where is it? Okay. So this is like a 30-minute recording because I recorded basically the whole move here. This is the $13 zone. Okay, right, see, $13, VWAP right underneath it, tapped it and went. Now, I was looking to try to get a play in here, but it was impossible. After this move, it was almost impossible because look at these candles, how they move. Check this out. You have time and sales there. You can see it. Look at that. Moves. Oh, let me see if I can. There we go. Straight to $19 and change. Look at this spread, 18 by 1866. 66 cent spread. And watch it. Just fast forward this a little bit. Look at that. That's insane. That thing just went from $19 and change all the way to $16.50. That's almost a $3 candle. That's crazy. Like, this probably was a good scalper's chart, you know, for like on a 1 minute scalping, like a few cents. But if you're trying to trade a pattern, look at that. Look at that candle. That's insanity. The next candle opens up right there at 16, 70 area, and it shoots right up to 19. Look at that. It'd be interesting to see what the spread was like there. See if we can catch it. Right there, we're at 1750 by 1786. Not bad. Look at that. It didn't even... Look at that. 1865, 1897. Not terrible, but still pretty spready. And then it slams right back down. I'm looking at the daily level. Oh, look, I'm looking at this 15. That was another level. I had a few levels there. Now let's go ahead and fast forward this just a tad more. We finally kind of like look like we're failing up there. And we start to pull it in. And then I was looking to maybe get long in here, but it started to look a little heavy to me. And look at that right there. Breaks underneath 1550, VWAP. And the short is on, really. And it never recovered from that, as you see clearly. So this is why we don't chase, guys. This is why we don't buy tops or chase, you know, like momentum chasing. Like, that's why I don't do that, because you never know when this is going to happen. And sure, you can put a hard stop, you can put a stop, you can stop out. I'm really good at stopping out. I don't care if I'm red, I'm going to stop out. If I have to stop out, I'm not going to hold bags. You know, that's how you blow up accounts. So that's it, guys. I mean, I didn't touch it. I stayed safe. No trades on the day. Not a big deal. Gonna wait until tomorrow, see what it holds, and go from there. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you're having a great start to your week, and I hope to catch you on the next one.